Hello fellas. So today the task at hand is that what you see here is the switchboard. Of course this is the switch and the dimmer for the fan, and the problem with this dimmer is that we have to replace it because it doesn't control the speed of the fan very well. When you turn it at lower speed, after some time it just shuts down. So what I thought was, instead of just replacing this, why not turn a normal fan into a smart fan? And how do we do that? That's what you're gonna see in this video today. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. So I just recently bought this remote controlled fan dimmer and the remote controller, and this will help us turn this fan into a smarter fan. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and since it just has two wires, I would imagine it should be a rather very straightforward replacement. By the way, did you just saw that the fan is still on but it has stopped? So that's what happens. So let's get started. So by the way, safety is the first priority, and we have to turn the main switch off so that there is no electricity when we're going to replace the dimmer. So I just turn off the main switch, so you can see that the fan, it's on, but still there is no fan running and no electricity. So now you have to take out these two screws, but so this is a tester. Even if the main switch is off, still check whether there is electricity in here or not. This is out. So as we imagined, this is just a simple, this should be a simple exchange right here. So I have removed the previous one and attached this one. So now I have to connect the wires. This goes in here like before, and this one connects to your live one. Let me do that and I'll be back. Apparently the connections seem to be done and it is fitted, but just before just fitting this back into the thing, I will try to turn on, with safety of course, the main switch, and then let's see if it works. Okay, so fellas, the moment of truth, and I've turned off on the main power supply, and let's also try to control the remote control. It has two AA size, AAA size batteries. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Nice. So you could control the fan from a distance. Stops. On. The speed is working, as well as the dimmer is replaced. So guys, let's call it a day. See you later. Bye bye.